charismanly. Charismanly. It is an abbreviation. It's made of 12 parts. What is charisma? Something that makes people drawn to you and also obey you. It looks difficult, hey? But not if you watch this video. What you will learn in this video came out of these 3 books. How to Talk to Anyone, Body Language by Pease, TED Guide to Public Speaking. So this is not a cliche video, and you are watching not a cliche YouTuber. Care and aggression triangle. This is you before watching this video. This is you while watching this video. And this is you after watching this video. Just some basic information. Never mind. A loser makes eye contact like this. Or like this. Fault. There are 2 triangles. When you want to show that you care and you are friendly, use this triangle. And when you want to scare someone in an argument, use this one. Predator animals use the aggression triangle while looking at their opponents. Hey, rule. Imagine the situation. You're in a party. You're talking about your new necklace. Someone laughs and says, "Fuck your necklace." You come with this. Hey! This is the structure. Someone mocks you, or you don't like what someone told you, you tell a short answer, like, "Hey!" Lower the distance, and finally, touch shoulder with one hand. The short answer just shows that you didn't like that. So don't go for long sentences or questions. Avoid eye contact sometimes. The eye contact method just works when the other guy is paying attention. For example, you talk to someone, he doesn't look at you, he looks at his phone. In this situation, making eye contact just lowers your dignity. You should avoid eye contact and pretend that you're busy. This is the final outcome. Hey, did you hear about the plane crash? Yeah, that was a disaster. Never mind. Did you subscribe to another cliche YouTuber? Break safe zones. I couldn't find the abbreviation. Never mind. Everybody has a safe zone. Weak people are like this. Normal people are like this. Confident people are like this. And charismatic people are this. Yeah, everywhere is a safe zone. When we say everywhere is a safe zone, that means people's safe zones are yours. So if you want to show power and dominance, go in people's safe zones. Want to know how? This is an example. This is you, this is him. I don't know who is he, by the way. You see him, you go for a handshake, then with the other hand, you touch his shoulder. Now you've done it. Congrats. I don't want to answer. Hey, does your cousin have cancer? I don't know. I know you know. I don't know. Don't play games with me. I don't know. When you don't want to answer something, choose a negative statement and repeat that until the guy gets off your back. Stress reduction. A charismatic person is calm in every situation. It might be hard. You might lose temper sometimes, or you might be afraid sometimes. On those moments, adrenaline level in your blood is too much. That means blood flows in your body faster than usual. The best way to reduce it is to do some push-ups. It will calm you down in that moment. This situation might be before an argument or before a big public speaking. The fun fact is, you might break your push-up record because of those adrenaline in your blood. Make sure people have time. No one ignores a charismatic person, so don't make people ignore you. Look at their body language and figure out if they have enough time to talk to you. If they don't, so don't talk. The body language box says if someone does this or any other cyclic stuff, that means he or she is bored and wants to leave. Avoid guarded body language. Now we're talking. There are some vital organs in our mind. A weak person tries to protect them, and that causes the charisma body language. First one, chest. You are walking in a street. You hear a bomb explosion. You will be like this. Unconsciously, you protected your chest and neck. Show your charisma by keeping your chest off guard. Don't cross your arms. That's it. Second one, hands. Keep your hands out of your pocket. You feel safe as a charismatic person, so there's no need to hide them. Also, keep your arms angle wide. Third one, testicles. This part is about testicles but works for both men and women. I don't know why. While sitting, don't cross your legs. While standing, open your legs angle. That's all you should know. Take screenshots and learn them. Not you. Sophie Scott, one of the TED speakers, said, when two people laugh together, unconsciously they feel that they are on the same side. This is why funny boys are so popular among girls, even though they have no good face. What I'm gonna tell you about this part is, be aware that on whose side you are. When you don't like some people and you are having lunch with them, even if you hear the funniest joke in the world, you shouldn't laugh. Otherwise, you will be on their side and you won't have any reputation among them anymore. Save your laughters for your trusted friends. Never lose stability. Don't lose your temper. Always try to be the same person. Also, when you walk, go with a consistent speed. I'm not telling you to walk fast or slow. I'm just saying that you should keep that speed on the whole walking session. Apply this rule on everything you do in your life. Love and fear triangle. This is you. You are in a triangle. This is your crush. And this is your classmate. Your classmate talks to you, but you don't look at your classmate. You look at your crush. And boom, you made this magical triangle. Now you have two options. If you smile while looking at your crush, she feels amazing. And if you look with no expressions in your face, she feels fear. Look at this scene. You're late? When you have a meeting and the guy is late, when he comes, the only thing you must do is 1. Stare at his eyes. 2. Don't do anything else. 3. Wait for him to say something, then you start talking. Otherwise, you will lose your dignity as a charismatic person. You learned these 12 parts. You might ask, is it possible to do all of them for a whole life? I say no. There are 2 types of charisma. Things I just said are the first type. These things help you have a good look in a meeting just for 1 or 2 hours. You can't live your whole life copying this stuff. The second type is a whole life charisma. This type just obeys one rule. Just one rule. You wanna learn about it? Watch this video.